Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to mark as sold on Facebook Marketplace. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Facebook. Now I'll click on this marketplace and over here to find our listing, first of all click on selling. And over here we can find our all active listing. Now to mark as sold, over here you can see here's mark as sold. Just click on this and after that you can choose any answer from here. Now I'll go with this, I'll rather not answer, and after that click on this next. After that you'll find this interface. Just click on this archive and as you can see we have marked our item as sold. So in this way we can mark an item as sold on Facebook Marketplace. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.